Hello all, welcome to channel Tech Tutorials Learn by Doing. In this tutorial series, we'll learn about Python from beginner to advanced along with the projects. Now, let's get started for today's tutorial. In this video, we'll learn about installation of Python in Windows machine. For installing Python in Windows machine, go to your web browser and type download Python for Windows. It will show multiple sites among which you have to choose python.org, which is the official site. We require Python 3, so click on latest Python 3. If you scroll down below, then there will be multiple options. We want to download it for Windows, so there are multiple files even for the Windows. Windows installer will be easy to install, so click on Windows installer 64-bit. Then download the installer file. The file has been downloaded. Double click on the file, then it will show the options for installation. Click on add Python 3.10 to path, then install launcher for all user. Click on install now. It will take a while before installation. It's been installing. We can see that the setup was successful. Now we can close this window. Then on start, simply type Python. Then click on Python. It will open a Python terminal. We can see that the Python install here is Python 3.10. Now we can write our commands here. We can use Python as a simple calculator. For example, let us write 2 plus 5, it will give 7. We can assign variable a equals to 3, b equals to 4, a into b, it should give 12. Now let us print hello world. Print hello world. So the data has been printed. That's for it today, guys. If you like my video, give like button and subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss our future tutorials. Thank you.